That's why smells. I just unearthed that sick possum skull. That's gross. All right, so I'm gonna be the first person to enter this Spartan in probably 40 years. I'm just throwing that on the ground so I have something not gross to step on. First impressions, very, very soft floors. Okay. Oh man. Ooh. Got a lot going on in here. It's missing the refrigerator and the stove, so that's not cool. Let's be brave. Let's move this. Okay. Yep, we're missing the appliances, unless they're tucked way back there in the other bedroom. Busted out window, screen, busted out window and screen, busted out window, screen's intact, and all the curved windows are intact. So that's good. Got a bunch of furniture in here, and hair and insulation and nuts. And I definitely do believe possums were living in here, because I found about 6 bodies underneath the rig while I was digging it out. But interior space-wise, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I think these are the factory benches right here. I'm gonna take these window panes out because they're pushing up against this wall, and I don't want this glass to break while I'm moving things around. So let's clear up this area, maybe this area, so I can work further back and see what's still here. Well, I discovered that this wall's not connected to the floor. I'm guessing it's because we had all of this material just pushing up against this wall for decades, along with water intrusion. I just kind of shoved this wall over like 3 inches, so it's just floating. So that's cool. Oh man, I feel so bad for this thing. It was such a really pretty RV. And it's just it's a dump. And I keep saying I want to save it, but I think this one's too far gone. I don't know. I keep going back and forth. Should I try? Should I not try? Current state of the rear. This looks mostly like wood and furniture. It doesn't look like any animals got back here, which is great. I don't see any bedding. The ceiling's somewhat intact. So we should be able to clean this up pretty quickly. Here's what 2 hours worth of debris removal looks like. Sorry, I'm completely out of breath. Filled with nuts and dead bodies and construction equipment and speed limit signs and torch gas, CO2, and lawnmower parts, sink. This is everything that was pulled out. All of this was shoved in the back room. Definitely way over limit. I'm thinking It's probably 3,000 pounds worth of garbage. And now I can safely walk in. Surprisingly, the floor isn't squishy. And we can see down the hall, which is also filled with debris that goes to the front area. So peeking in here, there's the bath. Window's still intact, that's good. So, that's the next project. Oh. Okay. Got all this spot cleared out right now. And started working on this area. Bunch of weird stuff in here. Heavy gauge steel, plumbing, weird stuff. That's all nature. It's all compost. This is where the fireplace would be, or the furnace. But we can see all the way through to the back room and almost get eyes on what's in here. Still not safe to walk on any of this stuff, so yeah. I'm gonna call it. It's super late. I've been here for almost 12 hours, I think, or working for 12 hours. Yeah, I've definitely been working for 12 hours. So I'll get back to you. Hopefully I can get the rest of this stuff cleared up, get those hubs serviced, get some wheels, and get this towed. Hey, look at that.